Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can freeze frame in the CapCut app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply scroll through your homepage and click open your CapCut app. So once you're into your CapCut, all you need to do is simply select a new project or start the old project itself. So once you're in, all you need to do is simply tap on your selected video, and once you do so, you will get several options from which you need to select the freeze frame option. Once you find the freeze key, simply press on it and the portion you have selected on will get freezed. So other video will be the same and keeps on moving. However, the certain portion will get freezed and you can simply delete it or keep it as it is. So this is how you freeze frame on CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.